Hey y'all, welcome back to another video on my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva, and today I'm gonna be doing my makeup. But in this makeup video that I'm doing, I'm not gonna be doing it as a tutorial because I want to get into some details with some other things for you guys. You know how some of you guys may be watching like YouTube videos, TikTok, Instagram videos on people doing makeup, but you still can't get it. All right, well, this video is for you because I'm gonna tell you how you can learn to do your makeup, and not just your makeup but also other people's makeup. While I'm talking to you guys, I'm just gonna do my own makeup just so it makes sense and you guys have something to look at while we're talking. So I've been doing my makeup for a while now, and I am self-taught, but a lot of times I'm doing my makeup, I just feel like I could be better at what I'm doing, you know what I'm saying? And this is when it came to me, y'all, why not just do an online makeup course? And so I went searching, y'all, just to find one that suits me, price and all, because all that I gotta take into consideration. So the one I end up going with, y'all, is called Online Makeup Academy. So the reason why I went with them, actually one of the reasons why, or the main reason why I went with them, was because I realized once I buy the program, I'll have it forever. And to add to that, when you buy the program, you get a bunch of makeup to start off with, which means you'll have makeup to do your face or to practice with while you're doing the course. You can't ask for more than that, now can you? You also get to join a live session the first Wednesday of every month, just so you could ask whatever questions you have and, you know, stuff like that. Yo, when I saw all that this online makeup class offer, I couldn't say no to it. I had to jump on it. And it gets better, y'all. Just in case you're slow like myself, you get one-on-one personal video guidance. Come on, y'all. See now why I had to jump on it? The deal was just way too sweet for me not to take it. And I'm gonna cut and show you guys the different type of makeup styles that they teach on their website. As you can see here, they have an advanced makeup program just in case you're more advanced. They have a bridal makeup program. They have Elite makeup program, which is the one that I'm in, and as you can see, I only did like 2% of the course so far when I made this video, but hey, I'm gonna do it, don't worry, because I need that certificate. And they have this master makeup program. They have body painting and airbrushing. You could use that as a profession if you want that. Easy Halloween makeup look, face painting as a business. That is something I think I might be interested in. They have hairstyling programs, and of course they have SFX makeup program. So they do have a lot of choices, something for everyone. And I've noticed lately that I'm loving the way my makeup has been coming out. Maybe you guys don't notice it because I haven't been on here a lot recently, but yeah, I've only started the course like 2 weeks and already I've seen a difference with my makeup. So that's one of the reasons why I know I had to tell you guys about it, because it just makes sense when you're watching people doing their makeup on YouTube or Instagram or TikTok. They're doing it real fast, and believe me, it's a lot of things that get cut out because we're trying to make the video like 10 minutes, 15, maybe 20 minutes long. You're not gonna see everything in 15 minutes, you know what I'm saying? And I'm not here to tell you guys that you can't learn how to do your makeup from watching YouTube videos and stuff like that, because that's kind of how I learned too. But imagine knowing even more than some of the people on YouTube, where you can be making your own videos, because not everybody's gonna go learn the program like this where they can be teaching it to somebody else, you know what I'm saying? So imagine if you know even more, you're one step ahead of the game. Now you can teach it, making money off YouTube, Instagram and TikTok, and you can also make money by doing it on clients. So it's a win-win, and I'm pretty sure in no time after learning the course, you'll make that money right back that you spend for the course. So it just makes sense, and that's one of the reasons why I didn't care. I just went for it, especially because I like what they were offering too. So it just gotta make sense. If it doesn't make sense getting my money, I'm not spending it, but this definitely did make sense. So I know some of you probably saying I'll just watch YouTube video, and I get it, it's cheaper, I'm not gonna debate that, but does these people doing YouTube videos, do they have the same shape face as you? Because this online course teach you how to work on different shapes You know what I'm saying? It teaches you skincare, all of that stuff. And if you're not doing skincare, forget about doing makeup, because this is where a lot of people make the mistake, and when their makeup don't come out good, they don't know why. So of course, these are some of the things they teach in the course, which is essential. So honestly, y'all, I just think getting the course would be the better choice, because you can make your money back from Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. You know what I'm saying? And you could also make money back from doing clients' makeup. And the last thing I should mention, y'all, is that at the end of the course, you get a certificate. Yes, you get a certificate. So now, not only you know how to do makeup, but you're certified in doing makeup, I guess in skincare and all of that stuff. So go for it. So what do y'all think of my makeup look? You think I did my big one? I like it. I absolutely love it. And about this hair, y'all, make sure you stay tuned for the video, because it's coming. It is coming if it's not already posted, because my days don't be adding up, they don't be organized and all of that stuff. I'm gonna get my life organized, I promise y'all, but it's not there yet. But yeah, this is the finished look. I know I didn't do like a tutorial, so y'all didn't know what I use, how I do it and all of that, but I'm gonna start doing more makeup tutorial, because so many people have been asking for makeup tutorial. They see my pictures and all of that stuff, and they're like, we need a tutorial, we need a class. So I'm gonna put some of them onto this online makeup academy also, because I'm not trying to be teaching you everybody and doing one-to-one. No, y'all gotta learn, y'all gonna learn the right way, because obviously how we're showing y'all to do makeup on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok is not the right way. We just show you what worked for us, okay? So yeah, make sure you go check them out, see what they have to offer, see if it's something that you would be interested in. Anyway guys, thank you again so much for stopping by, for watching this video. I hope it was helpful, I hope it was informative, and if you like this video, definitely go ahead, give it a thumbs up, you know, go ahead, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.